Now our drawing is finally prepared for plotting, and to plot this I'll first save it and I'll go to this layout 1 view. Now here we have it. So simply select this viewport and remove it. We don't need it. Now we'll start by adding the paper size. So we don't know the paper size, we don't know the scale, we are completely unaware of everything here. So let's add a paper size, and for that I'll go to this layout 1, then right click and select page setup manager. Now go to modify and select the properties. So I'll go to DWG to PDF. The paper size is ISO A3. And here is the horizontal one. So that's the one which we want. In this case, make sure layout is selected. And with these settings, I'll simply click on OK and close. Now let's move back once again to the model space. And now let's bring the hatch here. So you can see that the hatch is not visible. Go to this drop down, click on this light bulb, and that will bring back the hatch which we have removed from this drawing area temporarily for making the dimensions. Now let's move back to the layout. Alright, now we'll make the viewport. For that, I'll go to this layout tab, click on this rectangular option, make a complete viewport. Make sure this viewport is made within this dotted boundary or this dotted margin. So that's the plotter margin, and anything which is beyond that plotter margin will not appear in your final output. So there we have it. We have the final plot here. Now, if you want to plot this drawing as it is with the same colors, you can obviously go to this plot option and do that. And here we have already selected these two options. We don't need to make any changes. Simply click on OK, specify the location, floor plan 1, save it. And here we have it, the final output with the same colors. Obviously, the colors are not properly visible because we have selected light colors. But if you want to plot it in black and white or in grayscale, you can do that as well. So that will make this drawing quite visible. For that, I'll go to this print option or plot option again. And in this case, I'll change this plot style and I'll change it to monochrome. Now click on OK, specify the location, give it a name. So let's name it as floor plan layout 2. Click on save. There we have it. So now we have this in monochrome or black and white, and you can see everything quite clearly here. So in this way, you can finally make your drawing, add annotations, and you can plot it as well. So let's now move back to the model space and let's save it. So I hope you have found this video series of floor plan quite helpful, and if you have any questions related to any of these videos, then let me know in the comment box and I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.